Hello everyone, this video is about how to perform matrix multiplication in Python. So let's assume that we have two matrices A and B. So we know that in order to be able to perform matrix multiplication, the number of columns in matrix A needs to be equal to the number of rows in matrix B. That is, if A is a x by y matrix, then B needs to be y by z matrix. That the new matrix AB is of the order x by z. And this is the normal matrix multiplication convention. So and we are going to show how it can be done in Python. Let's get to it. In the first step, we need to import numpy in order to be able to define a matrix. So let's define A is a, let's say it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So A, so this A is a 3 by 3 matrix. We can also say zip A is a 3 by 3 matrix, and B, it needs to have at least 3 rows because the number of columns in matrix A is 3. Then let's suppose that B is a 3 by 1 matrix. Let's say is equal to 10 comma 11 comma 12. Okay, this is not a 3 by 3 matrix. I'll write it further. 10 11 and 12. So now this is a 3 by 1 matrix, right? So now we should be able to perform multiplication between these two matrices. And B is a matrix of say 3 by 1. So we know that the new matrix AB, let's say, needs to have needs to be of the order of 3 by 1. Number of rows in A, number of columns in B. So at first I'm going to define a 0 by 0 matrix, AB equal to np dot zeros, A dot sep number of rows of A and number of columns of B. So this is a 3 by 1 matrix, right? Now we're going to perform the matrix multiplication. So this is how a matrix multiplication takes place. So an element in a new matrix AB, AB11, it is equal to the product of A11 into B11 plus the element in the first element and second column of matrix A into the product of second row and first column of matrix B, and so on and so forth. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to iterate through the rows of matrix A. So for x in range len A, so this iterates through the rows of matrix A, and then we need to iterate through the columns in matrix B. So for z in range B0, so this is iterate through columns of matrix B. Next we need to iterate through the rows of matrix B. So for we know that number of rows is in matrix B is for y, which is also equal to the number of columns in matrix A for y in range length t. So here the length is missing. Okay. Now, so the new matrix AV would be of the order x jet. This would be equal to the product of the element x, y in matrix A, the sum product of matrix of the element x, y in matrix A and element y, z in matrix P. So I'll just run AB now. So as you can see, this gives us the new matrix AV, which is the product of matrix AB, and we can also change different matrices. We can make it of different order. Just the point to be noted is that the number of columns of matrix A needs to be equal to the number of rows of matrix B in order to perform matrix multiplication. And with this code, we are able to perform the matrix multiplication. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you all in the next video.